Hello YouTube, this is John from DaretoBeCreative, and I have a whole bunch of mess from the Dollar Tree. Some's for me, some's for some giveaway mail, and some from Michael, and some from four crafty friends. We can talk. Alright. So this, cut this out. So these stickers, which you've seen these probably before, for someone. So all just positive sayings, you know, about hope, cherish, love, faith, and belief. This is just the loot bag sacks. This is for my friend doing a party. And I just picked her up for those, for her, the 40 and the 25. Because she was out of them at her Dollar Tree. These shower curtains, I picked these up. I use this on, I showed this in the video. I use these, you know how they have the rings around ones that you open up and you put, when you're making like a tag flip or whatever. I use these for a tag flip, a chipboard tag flip, in one of my videos last year. And I just got another one to use again for another tag flip. That was finishing up. I got these toothpicks. I'm gonna see what the qualities of these are, but I'm making some toothpick toppers for the bridal shower that I'm doing. I was trying to find the plastic ones. Michael didn't have any, and neither did I Party City, so whatever. I have to put the bag on wood ones. These wood letters and wood numbers, just for some potential mixed media stuff. So these sticky notes and this scented keychain and this little flamingo, they're going in some mail, as well as this pineapple door hanger, as well as this candy stuff. These Andes, these lemon hats, these Mike and Ike's, and these Jolly Ranger shoes. All that goes to something else. Sorry about all the bread and bread. Bag crinkling. I'm looking at the cookies and trying to say cookies and bag and saying bread. I don't know how that came out. I'll grab some cookies. Sometimes you gotta say yes. Most of the times you gotta say no, but every now and then you gotta say yes. Then let's see. Let me do Michael's real quick. Just got some of the celebrated bags. These are not self-sealing bags, but they're nice in a pinch, and I need some stuff in a pinch. Because working on the bridal shower, and also she working on something else, so we're getting all this done at the same time. Multiple different things, projects going on, helping with. So these are just some transparent bags. These 4.75 by 6.75, 5.75 by 7.75, and 6.75 by 9.75. So just to have in my stash. And then these also came from Michael's. Some brands, gold and silver, 50-piece sets. And they also had their yarn. Why can I not talk? I only have a problem on camera. I swear I don't mess up this much off camera. Well, maybe I don't know. I doubt it. Anyway, so they had their ribbon 60% off. So I got a couple of the inexpensive ones from the get-go. So, because I don't pay more than like $2. Most is probably the most I ever pay for ribbon, but typically I pay $1. So these are some of the colors. So I got black, black and white, gold, zebra, gold and white, and white and black polka dots. So all of those from the Michaels line. Let me just get some of this out the way for a second, because I'm making some ribbons with my EK tool, and I'm gonna use the brads with that. And then from the Dollar Tree, and this is another one from Michael's, the black and gold. And then finally, the rest of this is ribbon for myself and for my friend. Oh, this also was just a little stuffer to stick in the bag for the mail. And I got some of this gold, this ain't Gold Bond, don't even try it. This body powder medicated cornstarch, not for me to use. But the cornstarch, what people don't know a lot about cornstarch is like you get stuff that's sticky, you can use cornstarch on it to take away the static and to take away the stick. So I call myself just getting some more because I haven't had any in my room in a long time, in my craft room. I'm looking at the side of this, and it's only like this much in this big old bottle from the side. You can't see it, but I just saw the shadow of it, and it's only right here, right here, right here. So like, is that like, I know it's $1, but still, is it that much settling, or is it just that, is that fake? That they just made it that big to make you think the illusion you're getting something? I don't know. Weird. So anyway, and then I got this little dollar planner sticker set. It's a little giveaway as well. And then the last is the ribbon. So most of this is mine. A couple is for my friend. Let me see which ones. But anyway, let me just show it. So these are some party ones. It says it's a party, and that one says let's party, and I'm sure you've seen these. So this one, little boy and some blue dots. So some are hers and some are mine. So those, and I'm making some bows. This also is one of the Michael ones. And then got a couple of gross grain scallop, gross grain white. I got me, you know, these red ones, mine. The satin ones, and then some sheer satin, and that should be it. So anyway, and they have a lot more of the scallop, you know, the spring colors. I already have the coral and the blue and the mint, I think. So anyway, stay tuned for future projects. Thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye.